Hi, in this video we will see how to add planner for each and every channel in your teams. So here's my team called primary school, and I have one default channel called general, and I have three additional channel: English, maths and science. So I need to add a planner for each and every channel in this team. So let's pick the first channel, English. Okay, how to add a planner is you click on this plus icon, add a tab, and you find an app called Task by Planner, and it will load, and it will show either you want to create a new plan or you want to use an existing plan. So we have to create a new plan, so name it appropriately, English plan for 2021. And whether you can just leave it as it is so that the team members who use the channel will see a message in the channel. I'm going to leave it as it is and click save. Okay, the planner has been created. You can change this to different subjects into your maybe like phonics, uh, reading, writing, um, like exercise or whatever. These are all buckets, yeah. So you can create and create a task and assign it to someone based on each and every brackets. So this is fine. So similarly, let's create another planner in a different channel. Similarly, go to the next channel, click the plus button and click on task, and it will load. And this one is math. Okay, math plan, oops, math plan 2021, and hit save. Okay, the plan has been created, so I'm going to leave it as this. So this is we have created two plans for this team. So let's see, I need to access these two plans in another channel. Okay, let's quickly create a new channel. I'm going to call this as admin channel and add. Okay, the admin channel has been created. So the two plans which I've created in English and maths, I need to be able to see in just one as all the tabs as one of the tab in this channel. So you're going to click add, same, click add button, and same task by planner app, click the tab app. So this time, don't create a new plan, go to the use an existing plan from this team. So tick that, and it will show the existing plans in your team. So I'm going to pick first the English plan, and this time I'm going to untick this, so I don't need to let the users know about this. Cool, you can see the buckets has been created correctly, phonics, reading and writing. And similarly, I will add the next plan as well. Similarly, existing plan, and this time is math. I'm going to untick again and hit save. Okay, so as you can see, I have added these two plans from the channel, from the plans that we created in these two channels to the admin channel. So this is how you add a plan to a Teams channel. Hopefully this will be useful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.